Watch Donna Terrell and Kevin Kelly weeknights on Fox 16, your breaking news leader. Now, weather to plan your day with Fox 16 Chief Meteorologist Jeff Baskin.
Oh, you felt it out there. It's a lot colder tonight than it's been over the last few days.
Summer's over.
I think you're right, Kevin.
Right.
In fact, autumn may be over.
Yeah, we're going to skip right over fall and go right into the winter season.
Seems
as it
like
turns
it.
out.
Yeah.
I mean, we hit 80 degrees this week, and it was mild this morning. And now it feels kind of like winter out there. The cold air has arrived. We did get some much needed rain with this cold front, but not really enough rain. Drought has developed across much of the state. I mean, the first half of the year was really, really wet, but the fall season has been extremely dry. About less than one third of our average rainfall so far this fall season, and even less in some spots. That's why we have moderate drought across much of the state, with some areas even in severe to extreme drought, especially southeast and far southwest. Rainfall amounts, yeah, we got some rain, and at least we maybe put a dent in the fire danger. I mean, but we're not really, this is not drought-busting rain by any stretch of the imagination. Only 1/10 of an inch of rain officially in Little Rock, although some areas got more than that, about 1/4 of an inch around Hot Springs, just over 1/2 an inch in Arkadelphia, Stuttgart about 1/2 an inch, 0.8 of an inch, a little bit heavier around Russellville, but across parts of northwest and west central Arkansas, where really fire danger is getting very high, very little rainfall. So overall, it's not going to put a big dent in the fire danger, but at least it's something, because the fire danger has been very high this week. Taking a look at the satellite and radar, showers moving east of the state behind our cold front, and this is a pretty strong front. Check out the temperature difference on either side of the front. Temperatures in the 60s and 70s on the east side, the warm side of the front, but then you go west into the cold air, and look how fast the temperatures drop off. You go from 60s and 70s to 40s and then 30s and even 20s and teens as you go farther into the plain states and towards the Rocky Mountains. Temperatures right now across the state in the low to mid 40s, but it's also kind of breezy out there, so it really feels like a late fall, early winter-like evening. 49 around Jacksonville, 50 around Hot Springs. Temperatures in the mid 40s to near 50 south. Right now in Little Rock, 49 degrees. Which really wouldn't be that bad, except the wind is really gusting out of the northwest, 18 miles per hour, gusting to about 25. So it feels more like low 40s out there. And as the temperature drops, it's going to feel like 30s later on tonight. In some areas, it's even going to feel like 20s by the time you wake up tomorrow morning. Cold air moving in, but also dry air. So that's going to mean lots of sunshine. But even with the sunshine tomorrow, with the breeze and cool air, it's still going to be pretty chilly out there. And as we go into overnight Saturday into early Sunday morning, pretty cold, temperatures near freezing, and lots of sunshine as we go into Sunday during the day. And as we go into Monday, high pressure moves off to the east. Our winds turn around more towards the south, and that means a bit milder as we go into the early part of next week. So for tomorrow, temperatures starting off in the mid to upper 30s, and it's going to feel more like 20s to low 30s out there because of those winds. And as we go into the daytime hours, low to mid 50s by about lunchtime, mid 50s for the afternoon. But keep in mind that breeze is going to keep things rather cool. So even during the day, you probably want a jacket with you, and especially during the evening hours, because even though the winds start to die down tomorrow evening, the temperatures really plunge by about this time tomorrow night. Actual temperatures in the upper 30s to near 40 degrees. So around the state for tomorrow, mostly sunny skies, high temperatures in the 50s statewide, a little bit below average. Our normal high close to 60 for this time of year. And as we head south and west, 58 around Malvern, 62 in Camden. So let's take a look at that 7-day forecast. Breezy and cool tomorrow, down to near 30. Yeah, we're talking about freezing conditions Sunday morning. Upper 50s for highs on Sunday. Monday up into the 60s, and another front approaches as we go towards the middle of next week. Late Tuesday, early Wednesday with a few showers, but not much of a cool down. And it looks like we dry out for Thanksgiving with pretty seasonable temperatures right around 60 degrees Thanksgiving Day.
All right, Jeff, thank you very much. A Monticello business fire spares a former World War II barracks.